Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a very interesting type of vehicle for you. This is a 2002 Acura MDX. This is the touring model. It's four-wheel drive capable, only in D1 in reverse with the VTM 4-lock button. And we'll go over why this vehicle is so interesting. I just wanted to have you get a feel and a grasp of this beautiful MDX, very well kept. Has these nice Continental tires all the way around, just replaced not too long ago. Alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, all up to date on that maintenance. Nice clean and clear headlights, and then it has fog lights down below. It's all powered by the 3.5 timing belt driven ULEV 6-cylinder engine. Single overhead cam motor. Comes with the ULEV, meaning ultra low emissions vehicle. So keeping emissions low, definitely a good thing. Comes with the Acura running boards, OEM mud guards. Touring edition includes that, as well as the roof racks. We have a little bit of paint fade right here, as you can see. Interior is super clean. So we have a smoke and pet-free interior, wood grain trim, automatic window for the driver's side, power windows, locks, mirrors, and seats, as well as a sunroof. Interior's in very good condition. I mean, look at the seats. Beautiful leather interior, very smooth, very clean. Just have on that driver's seat that it's starting to rip because it was really just owned by one person, and that one person was the only one to drive the vehicle. There was no other passengers in it. We just have a lot of history with this vehicle when it was first bought, then when it changed hands to the second owner. So it comes with the all-weather floor mats from Acura, and then it also has the factory OEMs underneath. Super clean there. And then we have the DVDs, well, VHS TVs in the headrest, and the players right underneath the passenger seat. So you do have to use VHS because, again, this is a 2002. DVD wasn't all the rage just yet. So comes with a third row seat, split fold 60/40 rear seats, and again, the all-weather floor mat back here. And then we have our headsets for the TVs. We got our jack and tools. We got the privacy shade here. We can pull it back. So all of that's nice. And I mean, as you can see, super clean interior, very well kept. So then we still have the old style chrome fascia and rear end. They didn't really update it to around that 05 mark. Got a little bit of a rust bubble right here, just starting to form. It's Florida car, but that's just there just because I feel like maybe a chip, and then it just rained and never got touched up, and then it turned into that. So, but very clean. No rust on the vehicle. It's just on that one spot. It's very odd. But 3 owners, no accidents, auto check certified, timing belt, water pump's been done. All the maintenance has been serviced, a whole AC system service. This car dates way back, all the way back to 2002, having everything replaced by Acura over the course of the ownership of the original owner. And then as you can see, there's a little bit of fading on the hood. It looks a little worse being up in that position than it really is, just because the sun's directly hitting it. But comes with memory seats, comes with heated side view mirrors, and our master control switch for the power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then power driver seat, our fuel door release, trunk release, cruise control, sunroof, fog lights. Combination switches include headlights and our interval wipers for the front and rear, interior illumination, and then steering wheel controls for volume, then cruise on the right hand side. So typical luxury from Acura that we've seen time and time again. Keyless entry, heated seats, dual cup holders, and then center console armrest storage, and then we have a charging outlet down there, aftermarket Bluetooth connectivity, 6-disc CD changer, Bose sound system, and we also have the tape player. So even though this is before auxiliary days, we can still play our phones through the tape player. So as you can see, no warning lights on the dash, and yes, 412,000 original miles, and this car does not miss a beat. It's been personally driven by me many times. We've serviced it for almost the last 100,000 miles here at the shop, and it just keeps going. It's almost a novelty. We actually explain this car to a lot of people of how a vehicle is maintained determines the mileage you can get out of it. So when people say, how long is this vehicle going to last? You know, what mileage can I get out of it? Sky's the limit. Continue to maintenance it, continue to service it. This goes for any vehicle, not just Acura, but Acura is a very good engine, but any vehicle can do this. So just do your maintenance. This can happen to you as well. So stereo works flawlessly, AC's flawless, auto dimming rear view mirror, map light, home link, all of the bells and whistles. I mean, for 2002, this was extremely cutting edge, and it all works, and it's all very well kept. So as you can see, the lights weren't working on the passenger side. That's just due to the fact that I didn't have the headlights turned on. Acura did that back at this time period, but there you have it. Everything's working. Turnkey car, no problems. Absolutely beautiful price on our website. This is the testament to Japanese vehicles, to proper maintenance, care, and ownership. So tell your friends, view this video, really let this mileage sink in, because whenever you guys ask me in the comments, is this a good vehicle? Yes, they're all good vehicles. Just do your maintenance. So you can find this beautiful 2002 Acura MDX Touring 4-wheel drive with 412,000 original miles exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.